Welcome to National Business Ventures LLC. If you're looking to start a new business or grow your existing one, you're in the right place. Our team has years of experience in multiple industries, providing turnkey solutions and coaching to help our clients succeed. Our clients never stop talking about how much National Business Ventures and our team members have helped them grow their businesses and get their ideas from concepts to creations. The top thing we're known for is helping our clients to create residual income. In fact, we help our clients to create 8 streams of infinite passive income. Don't let anyone fool you. Residual income is the key to building wealth. Remember that having multiple streams of income is a key factor in financial stability. At National Business Ventures, generating income for our clients is not hard. We use simple, time-proven strategies that harness the power of automation and digital tools. We offer turnkey websites and 8 automated income streams that use the latest in digital technology. You should never trust a company that offers just one way for you to make money. Remember, you do not have to have long hours of complicated training. All our services come with one-on-one coaching. We give you simple steps to take so that you can get started making money right away. You're not alone because we do all the heavy lifting for you. We don't just hand you a business that you don't understand. We teach you how things work so that you will never worry about if they're working. The primary focus of our company is to help you to make money and help you to have time and freedom in every area of your life. You should enjoy your life and have financial stability. This is why our clients choose us, because we help them to create sustainable and profitable businesses, so they can live the lifestyle they've always wanted. It's time for you to take the first step towards your financial freedom. Click the link below this video to get started and choose your own turnkey system today.